This tutorial is going to walk you through changing the icon on your teams to your picture. On a laptop, you're going to click the three dots on the team and choose Edit Team. You can choose from preloaded images on the laptop, but you can also upload from your computer. So you can go to any file that you've saved and choose the picture that you would like to upload. Once it's in there, click Update. And now the icon for the team has changed, and students will be able to find that team much faster. To change the icon on an iPad, you're going to follow very similar steps. Next to the team name, click the three dots and choose Edit Team. Choose Change Picture. And here you can take a selfie by taking a photo, or you can choose from your photo library, where I have added a picture to change as the icon. You can move and scale it and then choose Use. Now you can see that the icon has changed and students will be able to find my team easily on their grid.